Welcome to iQuanta. The big news is we are launching Snap and Nmat course. In this video, I'll introduce you to the entire course offerings by iQuanta and why Snap and Nmat is important for you apart from CAT. There are 50 plus colleges which accept the score of Nmat and 14 colleges accept the scores of Snap. So let's look at the best colleges which you should target at. So through Nmat, we have 5 colleges which are the best colleges. NMIMS, which is Narsi Monjee Institute of Management Sciences, which has the average package of 26.63 lakhs per annum. And NMIMS also has a center at Bangalore where the average package is 14 lakhs per annum. KJ Somaiya, again 14. TAPME, approximately 14. XUB, Xavier's University in Bhubaneswar, HR program, package is around 12.5 lakhs per annum. Through Snap exam, we should focus on these 4 colleges. SIBM Pune has got the highest average package, it's 28.16 lakhs per annum. SEM HRD in Pune, again 24.28 lakhs per annum. SIIB Pune, which is for international business, in this the package is 13.5 lakhs per annum. And SIBM Bangalore, 14.47 lakhs per annum. So the ROI is really great in all these colleges, be it through Nmat or be it through Snap. Now we'll try to understand that how iQuanta covers all this course. So we have 3 types of classes. First is pre-recorded conceptual videos, which are more than 400 in totality. Second is live classes, which will be of 160 plus hours of classes covering all the topics and all the sections. Third is practice session, which will happen after the live classes have happened. So this is for the practice in which whatever you have learned in live classes, be it the application, be the concepts, or be the entire topic, or even the relevant questions. It can be PYQs, it can be new questions which our team has made. After that, there will be practice, because practice is very important. Whatever you learned, you need to check it out. Okay, let us have a look at the timeline that how this course will be conducted. So the first section is Quant DI, then we have LR and VARC. The moment you get enrolled, you will be getting access to 200 plus recorded videos in Quant DI and 1500 plus practice questions. In LR, there will be 100 plus recorded videos and 1000 plus practice questions. In VARC, 100 plus recorded videos and 1000 plus practice questions. This is something which is static. So you get enrolled and this will be self-paced. Then comes the interactive things, in which we'll be having 60 plus hours of live sessions for Quant DI and 60 plus for LR and 50 plus for VARC. Also, once the session is done, you'll be getting 30 plus class-wise assignments in all the sections. This will be done through a combination of well-explained shortcuts, concepts, applications from videos, pictures, illustrations, etc. So from the month of August, your live classes will start with 6 classes a week, which will be covering all these 3 sections from 4 p.m. to 6 p.m. Then you'll be getting access to mocks in between, which will be having 10 full-length Nmat mocks and 10 full-length Snap mocks, in addition to 4000 plus practice questions. By mid-October, syllabus will get over, and once the syllabus is over, you'll be having 10 plus marathon sessions of all these sections. There's some brilliant features along with this course. First is 24/7 doubt solving. So approximately we'd say it fashionably that time it takes for light to travel from sun to earth is 8 minutes, and we take less than that time to solve any doubt. So you all have to do is to go to the Facebook doubts group and post your doubts over there in the form of screenshot, and you will get the relevant solutions within 8 to 10 minutes. The second is live and interactive classes. So whenever the classes are not just self-paced, self-paced is something which you can do when you're free, but this need to be some kind of discipline, some kind of interaction. So faculty member come in front of you and discuss things like you can see here, illustrations are there. So all the concepts and relevant questions are done, and there's an interaction going on in form of course, Facebook comments. Faculty can talk to you and you can just ask your queries in the live session in the real time on the comments. We have been doing this for years and we have got some amazing feedback which I want to show to you. See, Rahul Dev, and he felt that he has a major fear of fonts, and that is why, and he also felt that I don't want to go to CAD, I want something like Narsi Monjee or Symbiosis. And by joining this course, he felt like he is so confident in quants, which was weak point. Then we also have Hanshika Mohanty, and she was like, she thought, after lunch people might get lazy, might feel sleepy, but the classes were so interactive and attractive and entertaining that she never felt like sleeping, and she cracked Nmat and Snap both. Amrisha Roy. So Amrisha Roy felt that it is the most comprehensive and valuable course in terms of Nmat and Snap, which iQuanta gives. The kind of methodology, video lectures, study material was so good that she got engaged to it. Vipul Agarwal. So he says, I was skeptical at the beginning, but because and he was already preparing for CAT. But and the best thing is he also had official guide for NMAT, which people think is enough. But even after that, he basically took the course, and after that he felt that yeah, there's something which was not there in the official guide. And he also mentioned our team member that he says that they were so quick and kind to solve even the pettiest of doubts. That is a kind of personal guidance that iQuanta gives to the students. Aditya Kumar, he feels that it is the most detailed curriculum available anywhere in India. And Ayush Pandey, he felt that okay, in the starting he faced too many problems because he's not prepared, but once after 4 to 5 sessions he felt confident, and this is what the students are feeling about this course. So every year students get converted and they get SIBM, SCM, HRD, NRC, Munje, and after that they send us messages, and it's so overwhelming and happy to see that. Here are some screenshots. They're saying thank you, okay, and we will do things, and there's a screen. They have also sent the scorecards and everything. Intakam mila, bahut sahi, ye hui na baat, etc. So it was such a fun thing which was happening once they got converted, because that is what they and we are working for. Now let's have a summary of the entire program that we offer. So last year we had 150 plus NMIMS and SIBM Pune call getters each from this course, and this course in summary will be having 400 plus recorded videos, 160 plus hours of live classes across all the sections, 24/7 doubt solving, 10 plus marathons, 10 full and snap mocks, and 10 NMAT mocks. And so we have excellent pool of faculty members who have got more than 10 years of work experience each. And we have people for VR, C for Quant, LREI, and also the mentors who will be guiding you throughout. In case you want to connect to them one-on-one, you can call the support team and get a counseling. So all this is there in this iQuanta NMAT Snap course. So what are you waiting for? Call on this number and get enrolled.